What's going on, guys? We have the bearded Tesla here today, and we're doing something special. So what are we actually doing today?
We're actually wrapping my friend's truck in a very unique one of one that you guys apparently were able to do, which is pretty cool.
And then we're going to be wrapping this in one day.
We're going to do it, yeah, it's 1 o'clock. We'll be done by dinner, right?
So stay tuned. This is actually one of one, like Justin talked about. And the reason why it's one of one is this is actually an Avery Dennison SW900 color. I think it's gloss metallic gold. And it's a gloss, but it's not a gloss anymore. So what we ended up doing was we found the way to basically laminate it using our big machines up over there. And then that way we can do one install. The only caveat here is this is a dry install instead of a wet. And I know you're more used to doing the PPF stuff.
I'm used to the wet install, so this is going to be new for me.
Yeah, so this might go really well or this might go horrible today. So that's kind of what we did. And this color is, I think, as close as we can get to the Cybercab. I know maybe we're talking about slightly too yellow, a little bit more champagne needed. But I mean, it looks good and it looks fantastic. So we're super excited to kind of get it on this truck.
Yeah, this is going to be really nice. I think with some of the black accents we're talking about, boiler up, yep, it's going to look really cool.
Yeah, so let's try our first.
Let's do it.
Panel.
You want to do the top of the hood?
Yeah, or we could do...
or do you want to do the...
Let's do that one because that'll be easier.
Cool.
So we'll get a microfiber with the alcohol. What we should do is basically anchor that side.
And then here.
We'll go all the way, and then I'll cut here, and then I'll still have backing paper here.
Okay.
And then if I can move it around. And then the main thing is we have to split it down the middle with a squeegee.
Okay.
And then after that, make sure that this is good right here. This is actually pretty good, just a little lower. Okay. Or like this needs to be like right here. You can kind of see that once you peel it. So we can start right here.
Okay.
So we'll anchor this, and then after that, we'll peel all the way up to here, really.
Perfect.
And then we'll stretch the middle instead.
Okay.
Yeah, the good news is this does have, it doesn't stick. If you noticed it earlier, it was just moving around. So until you push it, it will not really stick. It's much cleaner this time. Mm-hmm. All right, so the next step is someone needs to be heating, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna be cutting up to here, and I'll be pulling. You make sure the top and bottom is good. So you gotta go up and down in a very methodical way. It's so crazy on a normal vinyl, bro. This would stretch like immediately. Mm-hmm. This thing is like just.
So there's two materials fighting against each other right now.
Yeah. It's just wild how like unstretchy it is right now. But it is stretchy. It can stretch a lot. It just takes time. I think it's greenhousing the heat.
We're melting the adhesive.
Well, we're greenhousing the heat between the layers.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's what's happening. Yeah. So day 2, these guys slept in the couches and in the Cybertruck. No, just kidding. They got a hotel. But it's Cybercab Gold-ish. It's not as quite as champagne as we thought, but we're basically finishing it off. But one of the things that happened during the installation is Justin thought it's going to be like super easy. It was definitely not easy. So we actually used our template kit. But the problem with our template kit for this type of material is that there needs to be a stretch. So there's always like a 5% stretch that we always put in our design. When you put vinyl and then PPF on top of that and laminate it together, it doesn't really work like that. So we literally did our first frunk and then the hood, and it was a disaster. I mean, it wasn't that bad, but we were getting some adhesive failures in a couple areas. So what we actually ended up doing with all of this was we actually laminated it. We still did the same technique, but we bulked everything and then we hand cut everything. So I mean, it took a lot longer, but I mean, I think it's worth it. Customer's happy, so that's really all that matters, honestly, at the end of the day. So we're doing a couple more accents. So what we're doing is we're doing this. This is actually from our seamed kit. So we have 2 different versions. We have a full seamless kit. This is a seam kit where we put the seam in all the lines, which is a more natural line. Makes it way easier for anybody who's like super intimidated doing this stuff. But we pre-cut it like this, so it's gonna fit right under. We're gonna create a black line. And then we got a special, you can't really see it back there, but we have a special logo that we put right there, which is really cool. And we're gonna emboss it. And then we're gonna put another color on top of that. So we're gonna, that part of the car will have like 5 layers of vinyl or something, 5 layers of something, right? So you got the vinyl, you got the PPF, and then you got the logo, and then you got the vinyl on top, and then you got another logo. So it is 5. Insane. So that's what we're doing. We're finishing up, and then we should be done. I mean, it's basically the next day what we do is we look at all the edges, we make sure that it's all good. I was cleaning up some of the edges. I still see that one right there, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that right after this bit, but that's pretty much it. All right, so we thought we were done. We weren't done. We actually ended up tinting this car. So we used Avery Dennison Supreme Encore, right? And this is 20% all the way across, which means it matches right here. We literally just got it done. And then Justin from Beard to Tesla, PPF these pillars, because if you ever own a Cybertruck, you're pushing this every single time, you get fingerprints everywhere. So this is PPF using our template. And then we use 45% VLT on this light bar. This is a daytime running light bar, and it gives it a little bit more aggressive look. This is not actually the headlights. We skipped on the headlights because we didn't want to darken that at all. You can see the black undertones in the bottom. It's subtle, it's not too much. It's two-tone, but it's not to the point where it's like half and half, which I like a lot more. I like being a lot more subtle than actually, you know, like super crazy or anything like that. And then of course, we can hide the license plate, but this is Cybercab right here. Again, very subtle, but we are absolutely thrilled. The customer's super happy, Justin's happy. And honestly, that's all that matters. So we're absolutely thrilled that this is done. This was 2 days of a lot of fun, a lot of pain, but a lot more fun. And so hopefully you enjoy this video. And make sure you follow Beard Tesla, and then make sure you follow Ellie as well, which we'll be doing a video as well on this. So here you go.